By taking innovation and technology as the basis of our products and emphasizing research and development of new technologies and new products, we have built a domestic first-class powder test platform which can provide customers with lab-scale tests, pilot-scale tests, large-scale tests, and up to 1-to-1 scale specimen tests, and enable analysis of physical and chemical indicators such as particle size, whiteness, density, morphology, and moisture for materials tested. Countless small leaps accumulate into huge strides of ALPA's growth. In the journey of human progress, ALPA marks milestones one after another that stand on a myriad of landscapes. We are constantly making our way forward. We work quietly for the quality of human life in every ordinary moment. We provide an inexhaustible source of energy for a colorful life. We bring vital greenness to every tomorrow